Hey Glam Dolls, I'm here today to share with you all this eye look that I created by using the LA Colors Eyeshadow Holographic Palette. So if you want to see more on how I actually achieved this look, just keep watching. So I'm going to start out by moisturizing my skin, and I'm using my e.l.f. Cosmetics Oil Controlling Lotion. It's infused with tea tree oil. It's been doing its job so far. I'm also priming my eyelids with the Profusion Cosmetics Primer, and with my fingertips, I'm going to take this and I'm going to blend all the way up towards my brow bone. And then I'm going to move into using my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in the color called Medium Deep to set that primer, and I will also be using this as a transitional color to help the eyeshadows to blend together more smoothly. So you already know my MAC Cosmetics Settle Brown. I use this to separate my brow bone from my crease highlight, and this also helps me to warm my eye up for the next application of color, which is the palette, the fun part. Oh my gosh, I am super excited and I am so loving this palette. I kid y'all not, you really need to get it. So I'm going to start out with a precision blending brush, and I'm going to pick up the green color, and let's see how this goes. Let's wait for it. Wait for it. Ooh, LA Colors came through. I kid y'all not. Extreme pigmentation color. You see color you're definitely going to get. As you can see, I'm going to blend that out directly into my crease. I'm keeping it nice and low because this is what I love about LA Colors. What you see is what you're going to get. These eyeshadows are not chalky when applied, and they are blending effortlessly easy. So I'm going to keep blending, and then I'm going to go back in the palette with a flat shader brush. I'm going to pick up this gold looking color, and let's see how this one goes. LA Colors is coming through, okay? I'm taking this with the flat shader brush, and I'm patting that on the entire mobile area of my eye. I'm being sure to pat it on because I want to keep the extreme pigmentation that you are seeing. So I'm going to pat it on the entire mobile area of my eye. And then I'm going to go back into the palette and pick up this beautiful icy pink looking color. But Mother Nature is doing the most right now. Please excuse the lighting of this video. You know, the clouds is moving. I'm recording in natural daylight, and Mother Nature is just doing the most. But we're going to keep this pushing. So like I said, I'm going to go back into the palette with the pink. And this time, I'm just going to pop it only on my tear ducts. You know, the inner tear ducts of my eyes. I'm popping that right there in. Mother Nature is trying to mess up this video, so like I said before, please forgive the lighting of this video. I'm popping it directly in on the tear ducts. This is what's going to give me a pop of color and help open up my eyes with reflexive light. Off camera, I did my false eyelashes and my wing liner. So now I'm going to move into priming my face by using my Beautifully Matte No. 7 primer mixed a little bit with some Monistat. That's an old school hack that I got going on, but this is going to help not only prime my skin to keep it from being oily, it's also going to smooth it out. And I'm taking my Lancôme Foundation and my e.l.f. Cosmetics Face Blending Brush, put some of my foundation on there, and here is where I begin stippling it all over the entire perimeters of my face. And once I get that going, I'm then going to start buffing and blending. Buffing and blending. I'm going to blend in my entire face to pull my look together. Once I finish blending in my face, I'm going to go ahead and do some highlighting and contouring. As you can see, I hit pan on this, but I love it so much. This is the LA Girl Pro Concealer, and this is actually a concealer, but I'm going to use it as a highlight. So I'm going to highlight underneath the areas of my eyes. And you know, I'm really digging in on this right here because I can't let, you know, my money go to waste, and there's still some product in there. So I'm just going to highlight underneath the areas of my eyes, and then I'm going to contour along my cheekbone area and bring that up along the perimeters of my forehead and my temples. And then I'm taking my LA Colors Beauty Blender, and I'm going to blend out that highlight, which is underneath the areas of my eyes. And you see Mother Nature with this lighting? Like, seriously, you see how bright this is? Really? Anyhow, I'm going to go ahead and blend out that contour as you are seeing. Once I get the contour going and get it nice and blended, I'm then going to move into using some liquid highlighter, which is by e.l.f. Cosmetics in the color called Apricot. Absolutely love this. A little bit goes a long way. So I'm going to go ahead and highlight my cheekbone areas and use my favorite blush, Milani Cosmetic Rose de Rio. And once I do this and add my lipstick and my lip gloss, this is pretty much going to conclude the video. I want to thank you dolls so much for taking the time to watch this video. Again, I apologize about the lighting, but make sure you dolls look into picking up this LA Colors eyeshadow palette. It is really worth you dolls looking into, and I will see you in another video again shortly.